Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll learn how to move, rotate, and scale objects in Unity. Let's start by selecting any object in the scene, like a cube. To move an object, you can change its position values. X moves the object left and right. Y moves it up and down. And Z moves it forward and backward. You can also move objects directly in the scene view by selecting the Move tool, or pressing the W key, then simply drag the arrows to move the object along an axis. To move object along a plane, just graph square faces and move. Next, let's rotate the object. Press E to switch to the Rotate tool, and you'll see rotation circles appear. Drag these circles to rotate the object freely in the scene. Scaling controls the size of your object. By default, scale is set to 1 on all axes. Press R to activate the Scale tool. Drag the cubes to resize the object. Be careful when scaling non-uniformly, as it can stretch your models. In the inspector, you'll see the transform component. This component controls 3 things: position, rotation, and scale. You can easily reset all transform by select 3 dots, and reset transform. To move an object, you can change its position values. And that's it, you now know how to move, rotate, and scale objects in Unity.